Hey everyone, ready to dive into the world of delicious Jewish comfort food? Today I'm showing you how to make perfect homemade knishes. These savory pastries are packed with flavor and are absolutely irresistible whether you bake or fry them. So let's get started. First up, the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 3/4 cup of warm water. Mix until you get a soft dough. Now knead that dough on a lightly floured surface for about 5-7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it with a clean towel and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for developing the perfect texture. Onto the fillings. For a classic potato filling, boil 2 large cubed potatoes in salted water until tender. Drain and mash them up. Meanwhile, sauté a finely chopped medium onion in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or schmaltz until golden. Mix the onions into the mashed potatoes and season with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder or paprika if you like a little extra kick. Want to try a meat filling? In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté another chopped onion until softened. Add 250 grams of ground beef or chicken, breaking it apart as it cooks. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper. Cook until browned and set aside to cool. Now let's assemble these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit if you're baking. Divide the dough into 10-12 portions, roll each into a ball, then flatten into a circle about 4-5 inches wide. Place a spoonful of filling in the center, fold the edges over and pinch to seal. Shape into rounds or cylinders, your choice. If baking, place the knishes on a parchment-lined sheet, brush with an egg wash, and bake for 25-30 minutes until golden brown. If frying, heat 1/2 inch of oil in a skillet and fry for 2-3 minutes per side until crispy. Drain on paper towels. Finally, serve these warm, flaky knishes with mustard, sour cream, or a fresh side salad. Perfect for any gathering. Remember, you can get creative with your fillings and even freeze knishes for later. Enjoy making and eating these delightful pastries. Happy cooking!